Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you a quick lace frontal install. The Ericka J hold me down adhesive I used to secure the bald cap and to create the bald cap method as I'm doing right now. You want to apply a little bit in front of the hairline and onto the bald cap to secure the lace closure. Now I'm going in with a small popsicle stick. You want to smooth out this glue as much as you can. It should not be a thick layer at all, or your lace closure will not lay down correctly. Prior to this clip, I did go ahead and do the ball cap method. I will be uploading a video showing you guys how to install using the ball cap method separate from this video because it does take long. Right here, I am positioning the lace where I want it to lay. And then I am using the rat tail comb to make sure that it's secure in the right position. Once your lace is positioned properly, you can use your flat iron and the blow dryer to make sure that the lace is secure. Once you separate your baby hairs, you want to use an elastic band and tie it down for about a good 10 minutes to mold the lace onto your ball cap or skin. I am now cutting my baby hairs and molding it using alcohol-free mousse, and then I'm going to tie my hair down and go underneath the dryer for about 20 minutes. And voila! I did cut my baby hairs a little bit shorter and I did comb it out so it's not crusty. I like soft baby hairs, so you just want to comb it out just a little bit and then use your hair oil, run it through your hair, comb out the crimps a little. My Valentine's Day makeup tutorial will be in the video up next. I will be uploading the video soon, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I will be uploading more videos, so stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, share.